Hello everyone, and welcome to our look at this large 74 by 50 inch baby playmat. The soft XPE foam protects your baby from hard floors while absorbing every little shock and impact. A non-slip surface keeps infants safe, while the waterproof layer makes cleaning up spills very easy. Simply wipe the mat with a damp cloth to keep the colorful reversible patterns looking brand new. You can fold this portable mat in just 3 seconds to save plenty of space at home. It fits perfectly inside playpens or works great for outdoor activities like family picnics and beach trips. Give your toddler a safe and comfortable place to play with this versatile and durable foam mat. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.